Milda Smart Interior Door Handle. This door handle, with its anti-lock feature, is not only durable but also jam-proof, making it a smart choice for all, including kids, those with disabilities, and seniors. Awarded the Good Design Award in South Korea, its design is crafted after thorough studies of palm shapes, ensuring ease of use. In urgent situations such as fires, where handles might heat up, Milda's design lets you open the door using any object. You can get this innovative handle starting at $50. KUKA Omnimove. This transport platform is a powerhouse, designed to move heavy loads with ease. It has an impressive capacity to carry up to 198,416 pounds and can stretch out to 98 feet. Its precision is top-notch, with an accuracy of +/1.2 inches, and it can be operated remotely. Remarkably, it can move autonomously in any direction without needing floor markings. With 10 different models available, each can be tailored with specific modules to suit a variety of tasks. Nemo's Garden. This groundbreaking initiative marks the first ever effort to grow land plants underwater. It features 6 unique spheres anchored off the Italian coast, floating at depths of 15 to 36 feet, and cultivating over 600 types of crops. Powered by solar energy, this system also converts seawater into fresh water for irrigation. Launched in 2012, it has triumphantly produced strawberries, tomatoes, zucchini, and various herbs. Despite challenges posed by a hurricane and the pandemic, the project restarted in 2021. It stands out globally as a one-of-a-kind endeavor in underwater farming. O2 Trainer. This device, aimed at boosting breathing efficiency, is a great tool for athletes, divers, and wind instrument musicians. Just a quick session of 30 reps, lasting about 4 to 5 minutes, can fortify your lungs and diaphragm. Its compact size and silicone rubber material make it conveniently portable. The O2 Trainer, endorsed by Baz Rutten, a renowned former kickboxer and UFC heavyweight champion, is available for $69. TREWGrip Keyboard. The TREWGrip presents an inventive answer for anyone who struggles with typing on smartphones or tablets. It claims to match the typing speed of a traditional keyboard with just around 10 hours of practice. This keyboard arranges primary keys under the left hand and secondary keys under the right, uniquely placing keys on the device's backside. However, its breakthrough design didn't quite catch on, as evidenced by its Kickstarter campaign falling short, which might be attributed to its $250 price point. The Real Wheel. This electric mono wheel offers a clever way to transport gear in places where cars can't go, like campsites and beaches. It's capable of carrying up to 200 pounds, with space inside the wheel for storage and a top that doubles as a table. Designed to resist debris and weighing just 25 pounds when empty, it's a practical choice for outdoor adventures. The expected price tag for this innovative gear carrier is around $300. VELO Luggage. This multifaceted suitcase, a big hit on Kickstarter, raised almost $650,000, far exceeding its initial goal of $10,000. Tailored for a range of travel scenarios, from brief business jaunts to extended vacations, it's built to endure a 35-inch drop and a 10-mile journey on its wheels. The suitcase's adjustable height can be set to 16, 22, or 26 inches, and it also offers an optional set of packing cubes for organization. It's available for $240. TrueLimb Prosthetics. TrueLimb is revolutionizing the field of prosthetics by offering highly customizable limbs tailored to individual preferences in size, color, and other details. Equipped with 36 ultra-precise sensors offering complete 360-degree coverage, these prosthetic limbs are crafted for both comfort and natural movement. The company supports users with a 30-day trial, dedicated clinical support, and personalized pricing plans. Reports indicate that these state-of-the-art prosthetics are priced around $8,000. Floating artificial islands. These engineered islands, crafted to purify water bodies while also improving their visual appeal, come in two varieties, dry and wet, depending on the plant species utilized. They offer valuable habitats for fish and birds, contributing to the stabilization of aquatic ecosystems. Notably, they integrate coconut fiber, a technique traditionally employed by farmers in southern Bangladesh, making these islands an innovative approach in the battle against global water contamination, a major health concern worldwide. PyroLance. This advanced firefighting tool, equipped with a high-pressure water lance, is capable of piercing through tough materials like steel and concrete to deliver a fine water mist directly to the heart of flames. Notably more water efficient than conventional firefighting methods, it uses just 20 gallons per minute, a significant reduction from the standard 120 gallons. Economical and adaptable, this tool can be easily mounted on regular vehicles, providing fire departments with a flexible and effective solution for combating fires. Home elevators. These pneumatic elevators are a significant advancement in home mobility solutions. They are more budget-friendly compared to traditional elevators and can comfortably hold up to 3 people or a wheelchair, with a maximum load capacity of 525 pounds. They provide a full 360-degree view, adding an aesthetic touch to their functionality. Remarkably, they can be installed within a matter of days and are designed to integrate seamlessly with smart home systems. Impressively, they can even operate on solar power, making them an eco-friendly choice for personal transportation within homes. Sugru. This self-setting rubber is an adaptable material, perfect for both repairs and creative projects. After being taken out of its package, it stays pliable for approximately 30 minutes, allowing ample time for shaping and application. It then solidifies into a strong, rubber-like substance over a period of 12 to 24 hours. Its waterproof, temperature-resistant, and electrically insulating properties make it exceptionally suitable for various uses, ranging from repairing broken objects to crafting bespoke handles and patches. This material's versatility and durability make it a handy tool for a multitude of tasks.